Hello friends, it's Tutor Rose here. Are you ready to learn all about the clock and telling the time? Let's find out how the clock helps us to know when it's time to eat, to play and to go to bed. Come on, it's time to have some fun. Ready? Let's go!
Tick tock tock tock, guess what I am? I go round the clock. Come along, it's time to rhyme. Let's learn about the clock and time. Tick tock, every hour. Morning, lunchtime, evening shower. I help you wake, I help you play. I help you know the time each day. I am a clock, hello, hello. Watch me move, I'm never slow. This is my face, round and bright. I help you know if it's day or night. These are my hands, not for a hug. One moves fast, the other slow. The little hand shows the hour with grace. The big hand's quicker, it wins the race. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. There's more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Around my face the numbers sit. When I pass them, what a spin. I start all over once again. Tick tock, tock, every hour. Morning, lunchtime, evening shower. I help you wake, I help you play. I help you know the time each day. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count some more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Around my face the numbers sit. Hands go round both slow and fast, telling time from first to last. See you next time, bye bye. Time to go, oh me, oh my. But don't forget, day or night, the clock is here to help you right. Bye bye now, tick tick tock. We'll learn more soon around the clock.